Tak.
I julen 2011, der hjalp vi jo omkring 500 familier og 1000 børn.
The humanitarian organization Children's Office helped children both in Denmark and in European countries to have a better life.
Så kan man sige, hvad er behovet for hjælp i dag? Det er noget helt andet. Men det er at forsøge at give de børn oplevelsen af at være ligeværdige med sine kammerater. Sådan at man kan stå tilbage og sige, det gjorde jeg også, eller det fik jeg også.
The story of the organization began in 1944. Although Denmark did not suffer the most from World War II, many people were still affected. The Children's Office began helping the working class children by handing out presents for Christmas and offering vacations in the summer. In 1949, they opened the first hot dog stand to help create profit.
Vi har jo ikke kun fulgt med. Vi har forsøgt at udvide hjælpen, altså i andre retninger og i større omfang. Så alt afhængig af den økonomi, vi formår at skaffe hjem hen igennem året, så deler vi stort set det hele ud igen.
In Aarhus alone, they last year spent a total of almost 500,000 Danish kroner, or 67,000 euros, on helping children.
Selling hot dogs is a very Danish tradition, and I think that's why people like to join and support it. I tell people that hot dogs is not healthy for you, so you can feel a little guilty going to eat here, but your social conscience is clear because you make a difference for children.
Today, the Children's Office try to help out everywhere that they can, including not only poor families, but also disabled children.
Vi har vores sommerferielejr, der ligger 20 km syd for Aarhus. Der har vi lejet ud i cirka 35 til 40 uger om året.
One of the centers for disabled children that use the summer camp is Stensager Garden.
All of the children do have some mental handicap, so it's not like they go and play with other children at the streets. They need some public help to get friends and relationships.
By selling hot dogs in Aarhus, the Children's Office helps children to a better life with friends and relationships. All European countries have different traditions, but there will probably always be a way to use them to help children. But here in Denmark, hot dogs are just easier to bite into. This is Stefan Larsen in Aarhus.